What's going on, everybody? Doing a little repair today. It's a backup accident. A little backup accident happened, and yeah, this is what you gotta do so you don't get no tickets. Just I found out that working with the torch, if you use a torch with the tape, you get a little better, kind of like a vacuum sealing effect when you use the torch on it. Using 3M tape, it's the best tape I could get for it's actually designed to do this. Just treat it nicely, trying to the torch just helps it a little bit to like condense it to the stick. I'm gonna close the gate and see what kind of things we got going on. What do you think? What are you thinking?
Pretty ragged.
Good?